Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add your subscriber count. It's as a widget on your iPhone. It's actually a very simple tutorial. So you want to hit the like button and the subscribe button. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the App Store on your Apple device. You want to click on search and you want to download a third-party app, and it's called Counter YouTube. So you want to go click here, Counter, and you can add YouTube. And you want to install this one. I'm installing it right now. It's free. There's other options. This one works really well, and it's very good looking, black and white. I love that. So you want to click on the app. It installs pretty much a few seconds. You have the white mode or the black mode. I'll use the black one. Type in your YouTube channel, Dr. Niki. Here it is. Or my second channel is this one. So here it says 3,000 videos, 4 million views, 50k subscribers. So I have it set up. Now what you want to do is hold on your home screen, just like so. Click the plus icon at the top right corner and search for the counter. It is right here. It has multiple options, but it works really well. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think about it. You can actually change it to light mode as well. If you want it as light mode, what you want to do is just click on here and it should change just like so. Switch it to black, and yeah, that's it. If you're still having any issues or if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. Subscribe if you're new, hit the like button. See you next one. Bye.